Hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I'm going to introduce you to an incredible product that will help you to make money online. So stay with me for the next few moments, okay? And before I actually introduce you to this amazing product, here's a great quote by Anthony Robbins. He says, "Every problem is a gift. Without problems, we would not grow." Okay, get 70 step-by-step video tutorials that teach you how to use the latest online marketing tools that the experts use. And this is an incredible tool that you can use yourself, okay? So let me just scroll down a little bit and show you some of the things that you'll be getting with this. And we'll kind of go, but you'll be able to see it, okay? And powerful program here. And we've got a tremendous deep discount on this program. And you can come take a look and see if this is something that you might be able to use to help you grow your online business, okay? And this is all tutorials, 70 of them, and this is absolutely incredible, okay? Now all you have to do, come take a look, see whether or not this is something that you can use, okay? Just a quick thought before I go. You know, one of the easiest ways to learn something is to watch how someone else does it, and then you can apply it to yourself. Yeah, you know, you can figure things out yourself, you know, through trial and error, but if you want to save time and even money and frustration, then this is for you. So check it out today. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.